Oh my god. I think I'm having a nightmare right now, y'all. That's my old one. This is the one I picked off the side of the road. There is a nest in there. That is freaking nasty. Were they just dumping buckets of mud into their air conditioner? It's all dented up back there. Not good. That's freaking disgusting. Look at the grill. Oh, that's broken. Whatever. Look at that. How does it get that bad? Look at that. I am bleaching my hands after this. That is nasty. That thing's from 2014 and it don't look bad. That thing's from 2009 and it don't look bad. Here, I'll show you. Look at that. Don't look bad at all. Look at this one. Don't look bad. No wasp nest. And there's its grill. That is just nasty, bruh. Let's see if it still even has its charge. Oh, it still has its charge. It's already starting to get cold. Oh my god. Its bearings are definitely gone. Woo! Look at that wobble. God. Woo. Well, that's not good. I didn't even see that getting blown out of there. It just smells like outside. At least it don't smell like cat pee or nothing. Turn that on. Look at that. This thing is off balance. Look at that wobble. What the heck? Is there a nest in there even? Yep, there is a nest in there. That's ridiculous. That's actually ridiculous. That's probably the reason why they threw it away. Bad bearings. Okay, let me plug up my 2014 Arctic King. Just show you that it has no problems like that thing. Oh, of course. Gotta pull it this way. The freaking wasp nests are freaking scary looking, I'm not gonna lie. There's dirt all over my air conditioner, man, from this freaking thing I found on the side of the road. Glad I sprayed those nests. Don't spray the things living in it. Now, let me show you this. Okay, this unit has no problems. Blows cold. And focus. God, this camera sucks. Just like the other one I use. Like, come on. And you can see that blower wheel ain't wobbling as bad as that thing. That is ridiculous. Yeah, that one has a wobble too. But that thing, that's atrocious. That's appalling to me. That's ridiculous, bro. I can't believe that. That is just ridiculous. There's nest. This entire unit is infested with wasp nest. That's just ridiculous. I cannot believe that. Wow. Just ridiculous. Let me go get the wasp spray so I can spray those freaking things. Make sure they're dead. Actually, screw that. Okay. Let's unplug it and put it back together, I guess. Ugh. That's just nasty. How can people live like that? I mean, sure, you live how you want. But, bro, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. But, bro, that's freaking gross. I mean, it might have been sitting outside. Yeah, most likely. I mean, that's just ridiculous. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Yeah. That's disgusting. Look at that! The entire porch is shaking. I'm not even joking. I don't know what to do with this thing. But as long as it cools, I'm keeping it. Yeah, it's a modern unit. Whatever. Oh, wow.